In this video, I will show you how to manually update apps on your Android phone without any stress and keep apps up to date on your Android phone. Open up your Play Store. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Proceed to App Management and Device. Manage app and device. Then proceed to Update Available. Then here you go. You can select as many as possible apps that you would like to update. So I'm going to update Google right here, my Instagram, Made in China app, Meta Ads Manager, and I'm going to update those apps selected right here. I'm going to update my X. I'm going to update X app, and I'm going to update my prayer app. And all updates is running in the background right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.